Hi there! If you watched my previous video, you would know that we've just been to Bicester Village. If you haven't watched that video, I will link it below. Please watch it and share your thoughts on it. After a tiring day of shopping in Bicester Village, we decided to spend the night in Northampton and not go back to Preston, which would have taken another 3 hours for us to reach Preston. So we booked the Mercure Hotel in Northampton, which is located in the city centre. The weather is also pretty good. There is no rain and there's not much traffic at all. We're just enjoying our drive to Northampton. It took us about 30 to 40 minutes to reach Northampton. This is the outside view of the Mercure Hotel. We're finally here. The weather is so chill, but of course we have our thick jackets. We're just entering the hotel. This is the hotel lobby. Lots of people around. It seems like they're all having a good time. Not to miss the Christmas decorations. There's Starbucks inside the hotel. The hotel room is just neat and clean, just the way we wanted it to be. We're just here for a night and I just want to eat and sleep. Now let me check out the bathroom. Not bad at all. Elemental Herbology. It's the liquid soap. The shampoo and the conditioner too from the same brand. I like the wall decor. We've just ordered some food from the restaurant in the hotel. Chocolate cake with ice cream, herbed fries, margarita pizza with baby tomatoes. We just can't wait to eat. We're so hungry and so very tired. Good night. So we're just ready to check out. It's morning. We're just going down the elevator. We're on the first floor. We're just going down to the lobby. I feel just looking at the Christmas decorations passes on good vibes. Do you also feel the same way? Let me know. This is the Starbucks cafe inside the hotel. We are here for coffee and hot chocolate. Good way to start our morning. Christmas decorations everywhere. Here's the Christmas tree, spreading happiness and joy. I want to click some pictures in front of the Christmas tree. It's such a beautiful Christmas tree with red bows, and the sun shining through makes it even more spectacular. Do you know why the Christmas tree is decorated for Christmas? If you do, please comment and let me know. This is the wall decor that depicts the ancient historical shoemaking industry in Northampton that dates back to 12th century. Some of them still exist and they're known for their skilled craftsmanship and high quality. Preserving their history and heritage is very important to people over here. We're now outside the hotel. The weather seems good and it's not raining. It's a Sunday today and people can be quite lazy on a Sunday. Isn't it wonderful to hear the chirping of the birds early in the morning? It feels so good. We're now off to explore the city. You can watch it in my next video. Please like, share and comment. Thank you so much for watching my video.